My name is Dodos. I'm going to show you guys in this video my updated eyebrow tutorial or routine. Like, I know I look really weird. That's because I have one eyebrow done and the other eyebrow isn't done, so like, don't judge me yet. For those of you that don't know me or haven't come to my channel, if this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you again for like following me and watching my videos and stuff. So if you've been following my journey, you would know that my, like, literally I'll try to link pictures below, but my eyebrow game has really changed from doing really like strong brows to very feathery to very soft and like very natural. So I'm going to show you guys, you know, how to get that really, you know, hair-like looking realistic eyebrows. I feel like I've used so many words in like categorizing what I'm trying to say, but I hope you get what I'm. The first thing I'll be using is the Zaron eyebrow definer, and in the Zaron eyebrow definer there are actually two shades here. Actually, not two shades. There are the two types of brow products are in this case. So the first one is the gel product, which is in the middle, and then the other one is the powder product. So I use both of them. I use both products and I use a brush to apply that. So this is a really tiny angle. And then the next thing I'll be using is a brow pencil. And I usually go for brow pencils that are really thin and retractable. So it's something that can give me more realistic hair-like strokes on my brows. So let me jump in and you guys can see. Starting off with the eyebrow gel from Eyeko, I'm going to just brush my eyebrow upwards just to get it to look arranged and symmetrical. As you can see, this eyebrow gel is tinted, so it kind of already shapes it and just places the hair just where you want the hair to be. And then I'll be using the eyebrow pencil from Evita, and this is in the shade Chestnut Brown #1. I really love this pencil because, like I said, you know, the tip of the pencil is really thin and I don't have to sharpen it every time. And what I do is that for my eyebrows, obviously you guys already know the trick, which is if you want to know where your eyebrows should start, then from the bridge of your nose all the way here, that's where your eyebrows should start. The highest point of your brows, if you angle your pencil or your brush or whatever, from the corners of your nose, that's where the highest point should be. So we're expecting that the arch should be somewhere there. And then the end of the brows should be here. I'm going to start from here, just tracing the line. And you have to be really light-handed if you want your eyebrows to look very natural. Just going to trace the line like so. And then slowly move to the front, to the beginning of the brow. Once I have that line, that serves as my base for me to then start creating hair-like strokes just upwards, just in the way my eyebrow hair grows. When I have something like this, I then go to the top of where the eyebrow hairs grow, from the arc again, and I'm just starting to fill out. Also, if you want to make your eyebrows a little bit stronger, you can just make it darker at the tail. And then most times I go back in with the brow gel just to really define those hairs and take away any harsh lines. So I'm going to be using the NARS Almond concealer and a flat brush just to define and conceal my eyebrows. So I'm just going to start defining from here. And just slowly work my way to the beginning of the brow. And then slowly I start to blend this product down to my brow bone. To be honest, rarely do I go in with concealer at the top. But if I feel like I need to really define it or it's not even, then I just go in with the same brush without putting extra concealer, and I just like tame the eyebrow hair. This is how I achieve my very soft, very natural eyebrow using Evita brow pencil or any brow pencil that you have. So for the next brow, I'm still gonna use the same eyebrow gel. I'm just brushing the eyebrows upwards as usual. For this step, I'll be using the Zaron Cosmetics Eyebrow Gel, and I'm just gonna take this product like this. And I always like to warm it up on my hands just so that I'm not being too harsh with the product or taking excess products. And then this is just the exact same thing I did with a pencil. I'm just using a brush, and this is a really small angled brush. Starting from the bottom of my eyebrow hairs and the arch, I'll just start filling it in again. And as you can see, slowly I'm filling in my eyebrow hair, just creating hair-like strokes, the way my eyebrow hairs grow. I don't want the front to look really boxy or like thick. I just create some strokes, some sparse strokes there, so it just looks like hair. I then come to the top of the brow and just connect that to the bottom. So guys, I'm done with this eyebrow, and on this eyebrow I used on this eyebrow I used the, this thing's trying to disgrace me. This thing is trying, okay. On this eyebrow I used the Zaron eyebrow gel, and I used that with a small angle brush, and I did that on this brow. On this brow I used the Evita Chestnut brown pencil on this side of my eyebrows. Do you prefer the eyebrow on the left, which I use a pencil for, or do you prefer the eyebrow on the right, which I use a brow gel for? Let me know what you think. However, there's a third way of doing your eyebrows, which is really the brow powder. So some people use eyeshadow. However, if you really want to know how to do that step, you can just go in with the brush, the same brush you used, and the eyeshadow or the powder, and then you can just, like, you know, fill in your brows to slightly make it darker. The only good thing I would say about using the powder is it just helps to fill out any like spaces in your brows. But for me, I really like that space because it really makes it look more natural. So that's the reason why I don't really do it, even if right now I'm kind of already doing it, because it's kind of looking nice. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done with my eyebrows. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Let me know if you tried this at home, and let me know which step or which product you'd rather use, the brow pencil or the brow gel. That is everything you need to know about eyebrows, and I'll be sure to see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.